So here's the home area of the mobile app. To record a video, I'm going to tap the blue camera icon at the bottom. It's going to open up my camera. Now you're going to see some timers down the bottom. It's defaulted for 1 minute. You can't go beyond 10, 2, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. These are down here just because you might have some specific designation of how long you want the video to be. You can do that. And then to record, I'm going to tap the video down the bottom, and then or I can hold and release if you want to. So let me show you that. I'm going to hit record. Now you can see the timer up here at the top, and you can see the timer at the bottom. I'm going to tap it again. There's the clip that I've just recorded. So just like the desktop app, this is a clip recorder. And this clip has been automatically saved to my phone. So I have it in the photo video area. I'm going to tap again. Now I'm recording again. Right up here, right at the bottom. There's the second clip. Now, just like the desktop app, I can physically move these. I can take my finger, tap one here, and slide it. So I can move them wherever I want to. I can also delete a clip by tapping the little X at the bottom, or I can tap a clip here, hit delete, I can trim, and if I select edit, I have the ability to add a whole library of royalty-free music if you want to add it. You can even do a voiceover. So a lot of times people in real estate, if they're doing a property walkthrough and it's super loud, just go out to the car and do the voiceover. You can also do text on screen. You can speed up the action if you want to. All these little editing functions right from within each clip. Now, if I want to flip my camera around, show what's in front of me, this right here. If I want to use a countdown timer, right here. So this is a case where I can do 3 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm going to tap 3 seconds, hit record. 3, 2, 1. Do one of those deals. Now you can use the 10-second one. 10-second one we've used a bit. We have a wireless mic we use for our content stuff. So you can set your phone up a little further away, but you have good sound, but you can do the 10-second countdown if you want to do that. We also have our teleprompter right here to the right. So if you tap this one here, this one's really good. So you can go right up in here, find the script that you're looking for. I'm going to select, let's go this one. Here's my speed, auto scroll, just like all the other teleprompters you've seen, between 1 and 10. I'm going to choose my speed. I can test the speed by hitting the play button right here, see if I like it. And then I also can edit right here if I want to make some changes. Sometimes you're reading a script, you're like, you know what, I forgot to add something. You can click the pencil icon, make your changes, save it. And then when you hit record, you're going to let the words flow up, just like we talked about before. Now, if you find that your eyes are cheating and they're looking down, you're not keeping them up here, what you can do is use the guardrails to the right and just slide it up. So now it does not matter if you look down because there are no words down there. So you can't cheat and look down. You got to keep your eyes up here. And if you don't, you're not doing that, you don't have to worry about it. There's a little gear icon here to the left. Sorry, Android users, it's coming for Android. I don't know an exact date, but it's coming. iPhone people, you'll be happy. You can click this right here, and there's auto scroll and auto track. Auto scroll is what it's on right now for the speed, but you can switch it to auto track. If you do, then when you hit record, it's going to highlight the words as I'm reading them like this. Dubb's features are designed to help your team grow and succeed. Collaborate, manage large teams, and maintain consistency across your content. So that's called auto track, and it's right here, and you can select it just like that. When you're done with the teleprompter, just tap the X and it's closed. If you want to add a video to down here, so say there's a video on your phone, remember with the desktop app, how we could grab a video from our computer and add it? If you have one on your phone, just go to the folder button here, select the video from your photo video area, and it will drop it right down into here. And then you can move it wherever you want to move it. If you want to record your screen, it's this button right here, similar when you swipe down and hit record on your phone. We have filters right here. These are kind of more fun things to do. You can do skin smoothing, black and white. You can do different colorization here. You can do some crazy stuff right here if you want to do that. Halloween's coming up, you could do some stuff. Anyways, kind of more fun stuff right over here to the right. This one right here, picture in picture, really good for real estate. Other industries too, if you want to show what's in front of you and be on the screen, cool. But a lot of real estate people like using this because when you click this and you hit record, now you're on the screen talking about what you're talking about. Hey, check out these blinds right here. Or something like that. Bring yourself bigger. Listen, I'm going to show you this living room. Check this out. And you can move yourself around wherever you want to move yourself like that. So it's a pretty big advantage. Instead of just flipping your camera around, why not be picture in picture? And then the last one down here is the virtual background. So like we opened up today with the training, how I opened up recording on my webcam and I had the virtual background behind me. You can do the same thing here. So on your phone, you can screen grab properties, articles, industry-related articles, companies' websites, people's profiles, LinkedIn even. And then when you save it on your phone, click here, pull up the photo, and then when you have it, click record, Hey, this is Rob. I saw your profile over here on LinkedIn and want to send you this quick message. Hey, listen, I saw you were checking out this property. Let me talk to you about this. Whatever's related, like we talked about before, context and then talking about it like that. And then when you're done and you want to combine all of these clips into one video, you're going to tap the blue button here at the top, and then there'll be a button to save the final video to your phone and then upload the other one into Dubb. And those are really the really dynamic ways to record. I mean, it's really, really amazing stuff the team put together.